Guys, so today I'm going to update you about the perfumes that I am using or I have been using. So it's been so long that I did not buy any perfumes, so I just use what I have in my closet. So I have I still have this Charmaine. Actually, this is from my friend who traveled to Europe, Eileen. Yeah, pasalubong. And of course, my favorite perfume, Salvatore Ferragamo, Signorina. And then there's another Signorina from Salvatore Ferragamo. And of course, another favorite is the Dolce & Gabbana, the one. And I also have this Lanvin. This is Elizabeth Arden, not my favorite. This scent is not my favorite. That's why I'm not using it I'm not using it that much. And my favorite that almost empty, the Giorgio Armani, one of my fave. And then also the Elizabeth Arden. Oh no, not this is not Elizabeth Arden. This is Kenzo, almost empty also. And this Kenzo also. And this is Kenzo also. And this is Elizabeth Arden green tea, almost empty. And Kenzo also, almost empty. And also I have Victoria's Secret, I have Body Tutu, and I have Kenzo, the small, for for traveling. Let me share this with you. Okay, so I just use this when I am traveling. So these are my perfumes. I have body cologne for baby cologne and other spray. And then yeah, that's my collections, few few of my collections, because before I have a lot, but after pandemic I did not buy anything. Okay, so most of these are from Switzerland.